Top 15 biggest aircraft carriers in the world. The largest aircraft carriers in the world are more than just warships with military capabilities. These ships have had a significant impact on many nations' defense systems ever since they were first built. 1. USS Gerald R. Ford class, CVN-78. 2. Nimitz class, USA. 3. Queen Elizabeth class, UK. 4. Fujian, China. 5. Liaoning, China. 6. Shandong, China. 7. Admiral Kuznetsov, Russia. 8. INS Vikrant, India. 9. Charles de Gaulle, France. 10. INS Vikramaditya, India. 11. Cavour, Italy. 12. Juan Carlos I, Spain. 13. Giuseppe Garibaldi, Italy. 14. HTMS Chakri Naruabet, Thailand. 15. TCG Anadolu, Turkey.